This easy fried rice recipe takes less than 5 minutes to make and only has 5 ingredients. Okay, making fried rice isn't actually this dramatic. Let's get back to our normal programming. Today, we'll be making an egg fried rice with green onion. The great thing about fried rice is that you can always substitute ingredients with what you already have at home. Let's begin. Thoroughly mix 2 eggs in a bowl. Thinly slice 4 green onions, separating the whites and the greens. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or large frying pan on high heat. When the oil begins to smoke, add the eggs and scramble until 90% cooked. Push the eggs to one side of the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, green onion whites, and 3 cups of cooked rice, and mix everything together and stir fry for 3 minutes. Add 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce around the rim of the pan. Add green parts of the green onion and mix for 1 minute. Here's one tip to make your fried rice better. Before cooking, you want to break apart any chunks of cooked rice that are stuck together so that the grains are separated. This will make it easier to fry the rice and mix the ingredients evenly. If you enjoyed this video and want to know more tips and secrets to take your fried rice to the next level, then let me know in the comments.